Nation. Yo, 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 Big Tall himself with the Tiny and Tall show. And me and Tiny outside today. She's finally with us, guys.
I've been here all the time. What are you talking about? No, it's overcast today, so we thought it's a good time to wash and wax since it's not too much sun.
Yeah, time to go ahead and get them nice and right. Cause we probably go for a ride tomorrow the next day. Huh, Tiny?
Yep.
So yeah, we just gonna knock this dust off this thing. We got time lapse running. We got some of that chemical, guys. We got some of that Mother's Chrome polish. We got some more of that chemical, guys, waterless car wash. We probably won't use this though, but we might because it give it a little shine. We got some of that Mr. Cartoon Quick Wax, and it's that DuPont motorcycle polish. So y'all see how nasty it is? Get up in there. What you gotta tell them, Tiny?
What's the motorcycle polish? What's polish?
Yeah, it's gonna clean it up. It's kind of like that wax stuff, basically the same thing. What you gotta tell them, Tiny?
Nothing.
Like,
nothing.
comment, subscribe. Let's go. Now let's look at you. All right, let's cook. Let's cook, guys. That's it.
Ah, shit. Here we go again.
That phone came. Nation. It's starting to sprinkle, so let me hurry up. But hey, y'all, they perked up, you heard? Mistress looking sturdy. They all wax, so, you know, that'll wipe right off. You heard? You hear SHARKIESHA? She looking sturdy. Yay! Y'all see the vibes? Fresh little motorcycle wash for the win. So y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one. I gotta throw these bad boys in. Let's cook.